G'day! In today's video I'm opening up a Telstra Enhanced Tab 2. This particular one isn't charging, so I want to open it up and have a look and a bit of a probe around with a multimeter to see what's going to happen from there. Take that out, take the SIM tray out, SIM card out, and then I'm going to use a metal pry tool to get it started. Just in the gap along here would probably be the best case. Get that started. We have buttons along here. Should lift off from there. As we can see, we have a lot of, not much. The charging port seems to be directly soldered onto the main board over here, which means replacing that's going to be an absolute pain. Mainly it's not on a smaller daughter board, but it requires the full removal of the main board to be able to access it. Bugger. So as you can see, there's plenty of room for a battery in here. It's got a 5500 milliamp battery inside. Small little Wi-Fi connector over here. Right now if I plug in power, it does not sit right at all. Unless this is a very half-height charger actually. Connected. If I have a look on my little amp reader down here, I'm getting basically nothing whatsoever. Yeah, that makes sense. I'll only go to about there. Plug it into there. Need to go get my multimeter. Now I'll probably just want to undo the battery just to see if there's anything going on over here. And there we go. Probe around, nothing, nothing, nothing. This is with the USB connected, nothing. We're going to be here, one there, minus 3.4. Nothing there. Nothing. 3.4. In theory, there'll be power going from here. 3.4. Nothing. 3.4. Let's see if I hit the power button, what's actually going to happen. Power button looks to be the bottom one of this bunch. No vibrate, no screen. Oh wait, there we go. Whinging that we're flat. Whinging that we're flat. Righto. Take this off and see if it's just a shield or what it might be. Disconnect battery down here. And yep, that is screwed in but also soldered on. The thing is, looking at the pins, I can't really see anything wrong with them. Granted, that doesn't always mean that there's something not wrong with them. Granted, there could be a lot more going on that's wrong. I do believe I've got another battery floating around somewhere.